Hey guys, here are two things that can help you become better day traders and pick better stocks to day trade, okay? So number one is looking at heat maps, and number two is understanding candlestick charts, okay? So heat maps, number one, if you look for the day, it'll show you which stocks performed the best, that were the highest in the green, and which stocks were the worst in the red, okay? Also, you can categorize by volume, that shows the highest volume stocks as well as on the downside as well as the upside with the ones that were up, okay? And then the candlestick charts, you got to set up your indicator to show that, and that really does tell a lot. Like if it has a wick on it, if you know about wicks, those mean price rejections or uncertainty, okay? So for example, if you see a big green bar with a very short wick, that's good. That's a strong move upward, okay? And that shows momentum. And so that would be a good time to day trade a stock when it shows that, okay? Now, if it's just like a little green bar with a giant wick, then that shows uncertainty of which way the stock wants to go. And that's when you want to wait to see the next bar of what comes out, okay? So that's why it's important to understand bars and vice versa. You know, if you're shorting stocks, which I don't do, as you know, but you look, if there's a big red bar, you don't want to be day trading or buying a stock after that. You want to let that play out, especially if that big red bar consumes, you know, other bars from previous trading days. Okay, that's not the time to get in. That would be the time to look at shorting the stock. But if you see lower selling volume, right, with a big wick coming from the bottom, like a hammer it's called, where there's a long wick below, okay, the bar, that means there is a rejection off of the bottom red of the support level, and that it could be turning. And especially if you see selling volume weakening, that could be a good time to enter the stock. So those are some tips. Look at the heat map, okay? And also set up your account or your charts to be candlestick patterns and learn more about candlesticks, guys. And that's going to help you be better day traders.